Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at the slope of linear functions. So one of the key features of a linear function is how steep the line is. And this steepness is called the slope. So you can have it like this, you can have it like this, you can have it going downwards, or you can have it vertically up like that. And so this slope, we give it the letter m. So the slope m is change in y over change in x. And so y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1. So this is the slope of the line that passes through points x1, y1 and x2, y2, like that. So we see here change in x, change in y, like that. We also say m as rise over run, right? So rise over run, like that. So example 1, using the graphs, determine the slope of the lines. So here we have our linear function like this. Okay, so change in y over change in x. So change in y, 1, 2, like that. Change in x, 1, 2, 3. So our slope is 2 over 3. And so we notice that it's a positive slope. So it's going upwards here, going left to right. This is a positive slope like that. Okay, B. So change in x, we go over by 1, up by 2, like that. So our slope here is 2. Positive slope again, going in that direction. C, change in y over change in x. So we have a change in y of 1, 2, 3. So it's negative 3. It's going down. And then we're going to the right by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. So that's our change in x. So our slope here is negative 3 over 4. This is a negative slope going down like that. D, the slope is delta y over delta x, right? Change in y over change in x. As we move along, the change in y is 0 and a change of x is 1, like that. So 0 over 1 gives 0. So this here is a slope of 0. Okay, and now E, we have our linear function going like this. And so change in y is 1 and change in x is 0, right? We're not moving left or right. Change in x is 0. And so we call this slope to be undefined. Okay, so if ever we have a vertical slope like this, we call it a slope is undefined. Okay, so practice number 1. Here we go. Using the graphs, determine the slope of the lines. Okay, so go ahead and pause the video and answer number A. Okay, so we notice that change in y is up by 3, going to the right from 2 to 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. So our slope is 3 over 4. Okay, B, go ahead and find the slope of this linear function. Okay, so we're back. So we notice that we're going down by 2, 1, 2, so negative 2. And then we're going to the right by 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. So negative 2 over 5 is our slope. Okay, there you go. You can get both in there, C and D. Go ahead and pause the video and find the slope of these linear functions here and here. Okay, so number C, we notice that there's no change in y, so delta y is 0. As we move along, delta x is 1. So this is a slope of 0. D, we notice that we change in 1 for y, but we don't change anything for 0. So 1 divided by 0, so this slope is undefined. Okay, example 2. Determine the slope of the line that passes through the two given points. So I'm going to do some examples here. So we have 2 points right here, 2, 7 and 4, 11. So our slope is delta y over delta x, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So y2 is 11, y1 is 7, so 11 minus 7. x2 is 4, x1 is 2, so we have 4 minus 2 on the bottom. This gives 4 over 2, which gives 2. So the slope of the line that passes through both of these points has a slope of 2. next to. So slope is delta y over delta x. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. y2 negative 4. y1 is 0. So negative 4 minus 0. x2 is 1. x1 is negative 3. So 1 minus negative 3 like that, which gives negative 4 over 4, which gives negative 1. So the slope is negative 1. Okay, C. 5, 2, and 8, 2 like that. So delta y over delta x, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. y2 is 2, y1 is 2. x2 is 8, x1 is 5. So this is 0 over 3, which gives 0. So our slope is 0. D. 3, 6, and 3, 8. So y2 minus y1. So 8 minus 6 gives 2. 3 minus 3 gives 0. So this is a vertical line. The slope is undefined. Okay, practice number 2. Determine the slope of the line that passes through the two given points. Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, we're back. So 1, 3, and 2, 5 like that. So 5 minus 3 over 2 minus 1 like that. And so our slope is 2. Okay, next we have y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1 like that. So we get 1 over 4 as our slope. Okay, C, right? 10 minus 2 over 4 minus 0. That gives 8 over 4, which gives 2, slope of 2. D, 1 minus 1 over 3 minus negative 2. So we get 0 over 5, so we have a slope of 0. E, 9 minus 7 over 5 minus 5. So that gives 2 over 0, which is undefined. So we have an undefined slope. Okay, example 3. Using the tables given, determine the slope of the lines. So here we have x going from 0, 1, 2, 3, y of 2, 5, 8, 11, like that. So we're just going to pick any 2 points. Doesn't matter because it's a line. So you can use 3, 11, 0, 2. You could use 1, 5, 0, 2. And I'm going to use those first 2 points because it's smaller. And it's easy. So we got 5 minus 2 over 1 minus 0, which gives 3. So our slope is 3. B, negative 1 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 0. And so this gives the slope of negative 1. C, 2 minus negative 3 over 4 minus 0. So our slope is 5 over 4. D, 5 minus 5 over 1 minus 0. So we have 0 over 1. So our slope is 0. E, 2 minus 1 over 2 minus 2. So we have 1 over 0. So we have slope undefined. Okay, practice number 3. Using the tables given, determine the slopes of the lines. Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, we're back. So A, we're going to use 1 minus negative 2, 1 minus 0. So we have a slope of 3. B, negative 4 minus negative 4 over 1 minus 0. So we have a slope of 0. C, 3 minus 5 over 3 minus 0. So a slope of negative 2 over 3. D, 2 minus 1 over 5 minus 5, which is 1 over 0. So this is slope undefined. And that's it. It's that simple. I'll see you guys in the next video.